A lesson about hidden strength. There was a village in India where a man named Raghav lived. Every morning he walked to the river to collect water. He used two clay pots tied to a wooden stick that he carried on his shoulders. One pot was perfect and strong. The other pot had a small crack on one side. Every day when Raghav returned home, the cracked pot arrived only half full because water leaked on the way. For months it tried its best to hold the water, but the crack never went away. One morning, when Raghav reached the river, the cracked pot finally spoke with sadness. "I am sorry. I am a failure. You work hard, but I give you only half the water. I feel useless. Why don't you throw me away?" Raghav smiled gently. "Come with me. I want to show you something." They began walking the same road toward home. As they moved, Raghav pointed to the side of the path where the cracked pot was hanging. "Look," he said. The pot saw a long line of beautiful flowers growing along the road. Red, yellow, purple, white, hundreds of bright petals shining in the morning sun. "Do you see these flowers? They grow only on your side of the path. I knew about your crack, so I planted flower seeds along this road. Every day while we walked, you watered them without realizing it." He continued with a warm voice. "Because of you, I pick flowers every week and gift them to the temple and to sick people. You bring smiles to many faces. You are not broken. You are special." The cracked pot felt silent. For the first time in years, it felt proud, not ashamed. Sometimes we think we are weak. We look at our mistakes and flaws and call them failures. But many times, our wounds become the reason someone else finds hope. Every person has a purpose. Our imperfections can create beauty we don't see right away. So never compare yourself. Never feel useless. You are making a difference in ways you may not realize yet. What you call a crack might actually be your gift.